Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video of Vlogmas.
Have a holly jolly Christmas. XOXO, Gossip Girl.
And right now I'm at Dollar Tree. I'm taking the bus today, so I'm at Dollar Tree right now because I need to go buy you know, the little toy drive gifts things. I'm gonna buy it, gonna go get a gift, and I'm gonna go put it in the toy drive and, you know, be a kind-hearted woman that I am. So I'll meet you guys when I get back home. I forgot to take my camera. Not I forgot, it was just recording something. I mean, it was taking footage from another video, so I left it out.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year.
If y'all get on my yellow box, your mom's not. But I'm at Publix right now because Family Dollar Tree is not open. So I'm gonna go get a drink. Should I get a kabachi? Which one do I want? I don't know. Then we get this one. What is it though? This I think I'm gonna get this. But I usually drink the other kabachis. Like something like, yeah, I'm gonna get one of these. I don't fucking know. Oh, this one. Alright. And then I'm gonna get some fruit. But I won't really love that. Oh, there you go. You know I had to double it. Yeah, I don't know which one. I'm gonna have to get this one. Got a fork. These are all the things I'm getting from Publix, and I'm gonna go right back and go to the like I have plans for catching the bus, and the bus is like 15 minutes away. So I have to put some oomph in my step and hurry the fuck up. Alright y'all, I'm back at home and I'm about to leave again to go catch the bus. I decided I'm catching the bus today because I have shit. That's another thing I want to do. My Temu shit, I'm gonna have everybody on the bus sign up for Temu. So I'm gonna catch the bus. And I had Alexa flip a tail, so she told me to catch the bus. Oh, I'm gonna put all of my all of my stuff in my bag, just my laptop and my camera. Not my camera. I mean, yeah, because I don't really need you guys right now, and yeah, I'm really just gonna walk to the bus stop. Hey guys, I'm in the first period is English, and class is about to start. Watch. I go for 2 minutes. He does that. See y'all later. Alright y'all, so I'm at lunch and I'm about to get ready to edit a video that you guys will see tomorrow. And I would upload today, but y'all seen too many sit down videos, so I want to get something where I'm moving. And that's what I'm about to do. I'm at lunch. I have a quiz next period. Let's not even talk about it. I want to buy my school fries today. So if I feel like it at the end, I'm about to like buying school fries at the end, and that's what I'm gonna do. And I guess y'all can watch me go to work. You're actually playing soccer. Just fucking throw that soccer ball over here. I'm gonna have to pop it.
Oh yeah, I was just like this vision.
in again, guys. Mr. Worldwide.
Mr. Worldwide, Mr. Fry.
Uh-huh.
Flowers officially gone.
We got Jeremy.
Look, ready? Don't follow my IG. Follow her IG. You know
Yeah.
what I'm saying?
Great promoter.
Great promoter. Wait. Fuck bitches, get money. TV for life. You know what I'm saying? If she has an ABI in her name, don't fuck with her. Keep it in the video.
I'm now leaving school and I'm about to catch the shuttle bus. Watch my after school vlog if you don't know what I do after school. So like I'm on the bus and guess what I'm doing on the bus? Getting that content in, baby. I'm hungry as fuck and I want to go to Benny Islands. Y'all, I am home. We put in some dry ass pizza, bro. I mean, it don't look that dry, but it's some home pizza. I need some Antonio, Jimmy Chip. Don't even have pizza. You go like this. Walk and step. To the left, don't forget to look and walk and step. To the left, don't forget to touch yourself. Come on. Ooh, all in my face.
They go like this. They go like, I just forgot it again.
Walking step.
Walk and step, go turn to the right. Go walk and step, go turn to the left. Come on, yeah. Come on, yeah. Come on, yeah.
Come on, getting jiggy. Where's the ranch? Y'all, I had got put onto buffalo ranch from Little Caesars. That's if you gay, Bruce. Like, it's so good. It's so good. And now every time I go to Little Caesars, you know I gotta get me buffalo ranch. But I'm gonna go ahead and eat this pizza. Yo, honestly, I think that's the video. I have, oh no I don't. But I have what I do like after school a little bit. So y'all can go watch that. And I'm going to end the video here. Like, there's no reason to prolong it because I'm not gonna be having fun editing me doing homework. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna take a shower, go do some homework and study for some tests that I have to take this week. So thank you guys so much for watching Vlogmas video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.